Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your core is at least 50% charged and the Core Re Perk is slotted. Once done, bind a quick activate key so you can trigger it under pressure. This reduces fumbling. Activate during a calm 1-minute window because the perk channels interruptions waste charges. You do this to convert idle charge into a stable bonus and to reset the perk's internal timer efficiently. That timing is why you prepare first. You now manage the channel. During the 10 to 12-second conversion, avoid using heavy skills that spike draw. Instead, dodge and use light actions to keep uptime. Make sure to monitor the UI meter. Aim to stay in the green zone, which yields the best conversion rate. Also, apply any temporary buffs that raise conversion by about 10% to 25%. These amplify output. By controlling resource use, you maximize return and avoid wasted core. You finish by letting the perk complete fully, then immediately spend the converted core within 8 seconds to capture the bonus effect. Timing here is crucial. Once done, note the 90-second cooldown so you can plan the next cycle. Rhythm matters. If the channel is interrupted, cancel and reclaim roughly 25% of the charge, then re-enter when safe. This recovery step prevents hard losses and keeps your cadence steady, so you stay effective across fights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.